Alright, so this is like my first session back because I was kind of sick for a couple days. So we got rained on, which kind of sucks, but there's still a spot in the garage where I can skate some flat ground. I'm not gonna set up the mani pad because it's my mom's car spot. And if she pulls back in, I'm not trying to have the whole spot in the way. Chill real quick, let's go. What just fell? I'm gonna try and get a slightly cleaner 180. Alright, I'm pretty satisfied with that. I think I'm just gonna try and get a rolling shove now because my rolling shoves aren't good. Let's go. I've been trying to get that trick for a minute. I could get standing shoves, but I couldn't get rolling, so I'm glad I got that. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it there for the sesh. I think it's a little after 9 a.m. now. Just got like a early morning sesh because the air is so nice and it was colder because it rained all night. But now I'm gonna go get some breakfast.
Can't get you out my gazing.
Alright, so we took off the beanie because it's hotter now, and we actually put on some long pants because you know, we're skating, and I already scraped up my legs, so.
To my thoughts, but you look amazing in your gown. I'm feeling great, I'm feeling down. Wishing I could see how you could end up in my arms. I know that you're not perfect for me, but you've caught my heart. I'll set the C, sing ABCs and the Y to win you over. I swear you had me right from the start. Let's build a fort out of pillows while we look at the stars. I'll bring a portable charger and we'll dance in the dark. And mine safe to thinking forward to a time so far. It makes me feel so tired, it makes me rhyme so hard.
Yep, so summer is officially over. We're getting dumped on. The homies are already on their way though, so we're gonna have a garage session and pray that it calms down and dries up, which I know won't happen, but we can still hope. A lot of people think rain is relaxing and nice, and maybe at night, but I absolutely hate rain. Because I just want to go out in the sun and go skate and get snacks, but now we can't. So,
Walk the layout, routines in the night. Some doors have stay out, spray painted and white while all the world's asleep. I walk around and stare through the memories, down the halls of my head. Walk the layout, routines in the night. Some doors have stay out, spray painted and white while all the world's asleep. I
rain cleared up, and we're going to Maverick to get monsters.
In the Bible, you read in Mark 9:23, "If thou canst believe, all things are possible to him that believeth." My old friend Dr. Norman Vincent Peale put it this way: this is one of the greatest laws in the universe.
We gon' run it back and you follow. Yeah, we heading out, say they Chicago. I'ma take you out to Mexico. Eating them like doggy, is it spicy? I can really do it, fuck the price tag. Judging for features, I need 100 bands. Fuck the features, I'm just shaking hands. I'm saying the late till the light goes. Yeah, I got it down, your pipe goes. I walk on the stage like I'm Michael. Rest in this world, you won't.
Are you okay?
Kind of.
Are you okay? So guys, both the homies just left. This is like the end of the video. Andrew, he actually tried that trick, the backside body varial hippie jump, for probably about an hour and a half. I think he's gonna come back another day and we'll film that battle, maybe as a video on its own. But he got a couple really close landings where he got on the board and fell, and one where it was super sketchy, but we decided we didn't want to take it. But he just was too exhausted, way too tired to keep going. And then he had that really bad bail where he landed on the concrete with just his fingers and like hyperextended them. So that was the bail right after he fell. Me and Sorens both went, okay, you're done, you're done, you're done. And then he just went and sat on the couch, and then they left. Which, it really sucks, because, like, I can't imagine how bad that hurt, like, landing straight on it. But he said he'll try to improve at home, so when he comes back for day 2, he'll have it quick. So we'll film a video then. But for now, that's all. See you later.